Okay, let's look at problem 15 in chapter 11. The question says, what is the direction of the magnetic force on a positive charge that moves as shown in each of the 6 cases? Now, the magnetic force is given by this cross product. It's Q, the charge of the particle, times its velocity crossed with the B vector. And to find the direction of this force, we're going to use the right-hand rule. And the right-hand screw rule says that when you turn the velocity vector, when you turn a screw from the velocity direction to the magnetic field direction, from V to B, the force is in the direction in which the screw moves. So let's look at part A. In this diagram, the B field is coming out of the plane of the paper. The velocity vector is going down. So if you turn from V to B, that would be from V to B, the force vector the screw would move in this direction, and that's the direction in which the force would be on a positive charge particle. So the force on a positive charge particle moving in this direction in this field would be in that direction, so it would get deflected like so. All right, let's look at the case B. B is in the upward direction, B is to the right, and so if you turn a screw like that, it would move into the plane of the paper. So the force would be into the plane of the paper. All right, let's look at C. The velocity is to the right, and the B field is into the plane of the paper. So if you turn this vector, if you turn the screw from V toward B, that is, you would go from V to B, the screw would move in the upward direction. Okay, so the force would be in that direction. For part D, V and B are anti-parallel, and the cross product of parallel and anti-parallel vectors are 0. So F would be 0 in this case. Okay, let's look at case E. B is in the upward direction. V is into the plane of the paper. So if you turn from V to B, if you turn the screw from V to B, the screw would move in this direction. So that's the direction of the force. All right, the last one. V is coming out of the plane of the paper. B is to the left. And so if you turn a screw from V to B, the screw would move down. Okay, so that's the direction of the force. All right, so now we've figured out the direction of all the forces in all cases, and that ends this problem.